Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make multiple unclear pictures into clear pictures all at once in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you I have different files here. That is a picture file. So first one is a human picture file. So you can see it's very grainy or noisy or unclear, right? And the next picture is of animal. It's also very grainy pictures or the noisy pictures you can say. And the next picture is of a nature, right? So we're gonna test different types of pictures. So for this, what you need to do is just open any web browser, and in the Google search just search for one application name as Batch iPhoto Sharpener. Just search this application and you will see a tons of websites. Just scroll down below and now you will see here one website from the bggenerate.com. so this is the official website of this application, so just click on it. Now you will see its official website. So below you can see the preview of the software, and below there is a downloading option, and you can see kindly note this: it requires a graphics card of either Intel, AMD or NVIDIA. Don't worry, if you are integrated HD graphics like Intel or AMD, still this gonna work for you, so don't worry. So just click on download now to download this software. Wait for a few seconds until the complete downloading is done. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to run the software installer. Click on OK, click on next, click on next, click on next, click on next, click on install, and wait for a few more seconds until the complete installation is done. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just click on finish and wait for a few more seconds. So finally you can see the user interface of this software, right? So I'm not going to discuss much about the features it's gonna provide. So below you can see here some modes, like what you want to do, like denoise, clear or sharpen. You can select any one, but the function will remain the same. It will make a clear picture, and you can select the output also, like PNG or JPG, whichever you want. I will keep it as PNG. And I algorithm, what type of picture, or it's a cartoon, logo or icon image. So in my case it's a photo. And select the output folder. So let me choose output folder. Let me select a desktop. In your case you may select a different folder also, whichever you want. Now what you need to do, just drag here all the pictures that you want to edit. So now just click on this start now and wait for a few seconds. So you can see here it's processing now, so wait for a few seconds until the complete conversion is done. So finally you can see our conversion has been completed. Now let us check it's one of the picture whether it successfully made the unclear picture into a clear or not. So let us open one by one. So let me compare side by side. So let me open the original picture. So you can see here this is the original picture of the respective animal, right? So this is the original one. So after conversion you can see here it looks very clear, right? So the earlier one was very grainy or noisy, as you can see, or unclear you can see, and after conversion you can see it looks almost very clear, right? So let us check of the human pictures. So this is the original human picture, right? And after conversion you can see here it looks really very clear compared to the noisy pictures, right? So let us check about the nature also. So this is the original nature picture, and after conversion you can see here it becomes much clearer compared to the original pictures. So using this software named as Batch iPhoto Sharpener, you can make multiple unclear pictures into clear pictures all at once in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool and free software, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.